It was Pearl S. Buck, an American novelist, who said, "To find joy in work is to discover the fountain of youth." And I can truly say that I am enjoying the practice of law. But my journey is interesting because I did not know that I wanted to do law. I came into law almost by accident. When I was in high school and about to graduate from sixth form, there was a rule that the school had that if you did not do well in all of your subjects, you would get a pass certificate. And unfortunately, I did not do well in the subject of general paper. So, of course, to my distress, it meant that I would be getting a pass certificate, although I had done quite well in my other subjects. And I thought this was quite unfair, and therefore I sought and accomplished an interview with the principal to complain about it. And after I laid out my case as to why I thought it was unfair, the principal of Manchester High School at the time, Mr. Caswell Burton, said, "You know, Nicole, you're very persuasive. You're either going to be an evangelist or a lawyer." And interestingly, that led me to include law as one of the faculties to which I applied when I made my application to UWI. I didn't really expect to get through because I heard that it was very competitive, but lo and behold, I received a telegram indicating that I had been selected for the faculty of law, and the rest is history. I'm very grateful for the contribution that the law school made to my life and to the lives of my fellow 1992 graduates from the law school. One of the lessons that I recall is the tutor's emphasis on preparation. I remember one tutor saying, "Preparation, preparation, preparation. That is the secret to success." And I have taken that lesson with me to this day. And I can certainly recommend it to students and young attorneys. Preparation, preparation, preparation. Another good experience that I had at the law school was that I met others who were Christians. I met lawyers who were Christians. And in fact, we had an association, a Norman Manley Law School Students Christian Association. And I was very grateful and happy to know that the practice of law can coexist harmoniously with the practice of the Christian faith. I also had a very good experience interacting with the legal aid clients. And at the law school, there was a lot of emphasis on the fact that we don't just learn theory for theory's sake, but when we learn the law and the theoretical aspect of law, what we now need to do is to marshal what we have learned into practical solutions for our clients, helping them to solve their problems or giving them a lawful way of accomplishing their business or family objectives. So law is not just theory, law is practice. Law is helping clients in what they need to do and in what they need to accomplish. That was emphasized when we were at the law school. Some of my favorite memories, like many other past students, I recall happy memories of the Norman Manley Law School Sports Day. It was such great fun. And I recall Silk, and I in fact sang at Silk, and it's a lovely memory for me. Some of the tutors that I still remember, I recall, of course, Miss White. I know, quite an interesting character, I would say. And I recall Justice Dennis Morrison, who seemed to have a knack of remembering everybody's names. I remember Mr. Peter Carson, who led us through legislative drafting and legislative interpretation. And I don't know how many people would remember him, but I remember Mr. Salmon, Mr. Uriel Salmon, who taught us accounts. And he always took us through the very problems that he was going to put on the exam paper. And I thought, what a kind man. He really wanted us to pass his examination. Also, as an attorney, I do believe that it's important to make a contribution to the lives of students, aspiring attorneys, and young attorneys. And that has been a part of my credo while I served at the Attorney General's Chambers in different capacities, including as Director of Litigation and eventually Solicitor General. I certainly hope that I made a difference in the lives of the young attorneys, as I always believed in sharing knowledge so that we could all be built up.